How to add Shopify store link to your TikTok bio. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. Open your TikTok application. To add a link in your bio, you need to switch your profile to a business account. Tap this 3-bar icon. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap Account here. Then tap on Switch to Business Account. Tap Next, Next, and Next again. Select a category and tap Next. You can also add your email address, but for now I'm gonna skip it. Now as we are all done, tap on Edit Profile. And under here you will see a website. As of my TikTok followers are equal to 0, I cannot have this website option right here. But if you have 1,000 or more followers, then you will see website option and click on that and you can there add link. At the end, this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel for more.